That person hasn't been a farmer before. He hasn't been to the farm before. On quite formula. Onim cocoa diano kwase de site. Now one cocoa beans no. Now what who cocoa all that he enjoy he knows is the end product of the cocoa. Morning is just 9:30 in my hand here, so
Okay,
whatever it is.
PM, eh? Here is
Don't worry.
2:38 a.m.
Okay.
Yeah.
I'm going to talk about the cocoa, then I come back to the MP. Okay,
Okay.
the cocoa. The first disappointment that I had in the John Mohammed's administration is the cocoa leader that he appointed, that Randy Abbey,
Yeah.
someone who has never stepped foot in the farm, someone who hasn't touched, who has not touched cocoa bean in his life before, someone who hasn't gone to the areas that they do cocoa. How do you appoint such person to come and be the leader of the cocoa board? How? So how is he going to feel for the farmers? How is that person going to feel for the farmers? No. Sometimes when we are doing something, we should be careful. Randy Abbey that has stayed in Accra all his life, he had never gone to a farm. Look at him. Somebody who doesn't even exercise. He has been with the GFA and yeah, what did he seek for years? And from nowhere you appoint him to go and be the supervisor or go and be the chairman or the superior over the farmers. How? I just don't understand. Instead of John Mahama to appoint somebody that knows the feeling of the farmers, you have appointed somebody that been with the GFA, stealing our money here and there, that we are even calling him to be demoted from the GFA. This is the
Yeah.
same person that you appointed to go and be the superior over the cocoa farmers. How is that person going to have that person going to sympathize with the farmers? And the problem here is when Anado gave them 3,100 Ghana cedis, the farmers were very happy. They were comfortable with it. They praised Anado, they jubilated here and there. And from nowhere, we had these NDC people saying Anado, even what Anado had given them wasn't enough.
In
So
fact, the person who led that is now the finance minister, Ato Forson.
yes. So they were okay with the 3,000 one. We all saw them how they were jubilating. We saw them. They were so happy with the money that Anado gave to them. And you went to them, stood on a political platform and told them, hey, farmers, the government is cheating on you. You have to rise up against the government. The government could have given you how much? 6,500.
1,500, yes.
So they were like, oh, so the government is cheating us. The government is cheating us. The government is cheating us. No, they bought your political message. And here now you are saying you aren't even going to add a penny to what Nanado gave them. How? How? Even he could have added just 1 penny or $1 to the money that Nanado first gave to them. At least say, okay, next year we are going to increase the money. But here's the case that he's saying, no, we're not going to add a penny to the money that you are already enjoying. So just keep the one that you're already getting. And we are not going to add any money to it. What kind of stupidity is that? It's nonsense. Me, I'm telling all the farmers, I can't cheaper. Me can't check we are falling in our say. Me, mommy, mo kuya for me, papa, mo kuya for. Mon sorry, monaso. Mon sorry, giddy, giddy, giddy. Rise up. Mon demonstration upon demonstration against the leader. First of all, against the person that the leader has appointed him for you. That person hasn't been a farmer before. He hasn't been to the farm before. On quite formula. Onim cocoa diano kwase de site. Na one cocoa beans no. Na one cocoa. All that he knows is the end product of the cocoa. Na baba ye chocolate ne Milo no. That is what Randy Abbey knows. And looking at how he is, look at his belly. It's like you're pumping, you share 5 gallons of water every day. Such a person, no, he has enjoyed Accra life all his life because ever since we've known Randy Abbey, all the time it's television that we see him.
Yeah.
All the time, Accra. We haven't seen him anywhere. We haven't seen him anywhere. All his life is Accra, 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 Accra. And what does he do, Accra? What he does is he's a member of GFA. GFA no more milk or mine a year person. You dissolve you. That is where he has been all his life. We only see him on Metro TV, televisions. That is all. And you are fast and you waste one no remedy equia force. A dear who more broke and no penya make your phone.
Yo.
So what? And like I said, no, you're okay with the Sikan and another demand one. And from nowhere, more and politics in see, more catch once and Mobama wants $6,500. That after the young cabin shame, Omokomo refuel. Say, oh, we can't increase the money anymore. Just keep the one that we've already given you. And it's not us that another's government gave you. We a deal come. Oh, me my memo queer for me, my former queer for me, no animal queer for. Then him say, Mom, feel okay. Me, I cry, me, tea, cry no. Me, I'm a tea, ya, me, my junior muda hoya. The MPP name up. Do you know I fell to their lies?
Oh, really?
On the way, I wouldn't have voted for them. Yeah, I know that. But when they
But yes, the explanation they gave.
Yeah, they reduced your friends' port duties.
Yeah.
I fell for it. I must be frank with you. And I said, okay. Now what's I'm a car bagana. It's almost winning and I'm saying, and this is for some better port and so kind of if you back from dinner, men family, young family can or may train. No more bantina goes and made back yet to a bad way, my farmer because me train this. No more babbage. I figure they
No, and I'll bet you answer.
I figure no matter to more. I figure no matter to more.
Yeah, April Fool.
I tell you. So these are the people that we are dealing with. And
paper not talking.
Yeah.
Do you remember? Bailey?
Yeah. He did it in front of even, I think, was it Metro TV?
Yes. So what has changed today? And I say,
the leader has changed. That's the answer to your question. The leader has changed. The leader of the nation has changed. We've moved from a human rights lawyer to a tyrant.
To a tyrant. Very sad. And I am so happy, say. And they said the NPP for be a social media, a form on the grounds everywhere, everybody. Now, yes, I did so no. Who say now we should know say NDC for a dear pay and say you meet them with force.
Yeah.
Because for a while they have taken MPP for granted. Didn't you know MPP for domi a catch for pay basa MPP loves Ghana. The MPP will not do anything that will bring disrepute to Ghana. This time, nobody should care about anything.
No.
Nobody should care about anything. We should all stand a chrono, a bar now, but after all, Rwanda boy, and they have built it again. Into a bar now, boy.
You see, John Mahama knows very well he has more to lose than any of us. His children who have bank accounts outside the country, who have homes and others outside the country, they are enjoying there. He knows very well if he destroys our democracy, international sanctions will be applied to him and his family. Yes. So he knows.
Yes.
So now we no longer be calm and be doing it. Oh, book. You can ask somebody, say, where's your warrant? Or say, oh no, I was still on a warrant.
No warrant. Can you imagine? Very sad, pa. Now, Reverend too for Johnson, where Jina Yena Yeda or signing in Suswase. I just like the fact, say, or catch or say it, and no, and no cocaine, as he's not alone. Or he's the mouthpiece of the mighty minority. He's backed by the 1988. And I'm saying, was saying, Kaka who say, by extension, also backed by the 12 million people who did not vote for John Mahama. Intinu yina yeta inechi. Ade ni do muntimi nkan obi anhye. Na have you what to say bia yama an invitation ana?
There be no invitation.
So why is who is that program Pulse? Is it Joy News? Pulse. Why are they sitting there and lying?
Now just Joy for us no better.
He refused to go.
Joy for us no better. And what didn't they do? They need to realize that even their news far on the Saturday morning. It was
Yes,
it was
look
it
at
was
Samson Ayeni,
it,
what he
it
was.
was revealed later that the so-called messages he was reading were not sent to him by his producer.
I went to his Facebook page and told him that he's a total disgrace to journalism. He should
Also a
bow
lawyer
down his
also.
head in shame. Lawyer Mini. Nti sika timi ema nipa eye we say na like you said. Ya so for any CLSOs, Christian Council anyway say no. I just one thing say yeda o say, especially as of one, we thank them. So my brother Christian leader we say, sa papa we a almost a Christian leader yeda o say for what they have given to Ghana. Egu Ghana anymore we thank them. But senior waka no, you catch almost no, they should just be observers.
Yeah.
They should continue to be observers. Momu en bioma no en country. Omu koswa no munye observers. If you are no pamakasa sa voice.
Yo, me that's it. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yo, Auntie Sabina, are you ready?
Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good morning.